here we go. 150-year-old double barrel 12 gauge rabbit ear. First shot. Wish me luck. I got on eye protection. I don't have my hearing protection, but we're fixing to see what it does, I reckon. All right, guys, here we go. Nothing. Nothing. Well, I guess that was non-eventful. I bought it in a deal. I didn't give a whole great deal for it, but it locks up. I thought the firing pins were going to fire. I don't know. May take to a smith, have them look at it. That didn't work. Stay tuned for the black powder shoot.